The McMillian F-Class stock has an ultra-low profile 3-inch wide forend that provides the lowest possible center of gravity on a front rest, reducing gun torque and improving accuracy. The bottom of the buttstock runs parallel to the forend and has a 5/8 inch flat surface for improved performance on a rear sandbag. The adjustable cheek piece is available with an ambidextrous or true right hand or true left hand cheek piece. The adjustable butt will accept all McMillian tactical accessories for better fit and comfort. The stock's flat top and no inletting allow it to be custom fit to your action and barrel. This 4-pound stock has a front sling stud on the forend for mounting a bipod. Other actions, options, and colors are also available. Just call us to place a special order. Remember, all Sinclair products are backed by our no-hassle, risk-free guarantee. If they don't meet your expectations with respect to quality, function, or value, simply return them. It's that easy.